So here's our mini review on Vermont cheddar mac and cheese bowl, Marie Callender's. We really like the pot pies. This has got 20 grams of protein in it. Takes about 6.5 minutes to cook. It's 470 calories, 21% of your fat, 40% saturated fat, sodium, half your sodium for the day, 30 grams of protein. It's got 3 grams of fiber in it. And this is easy in that you don't have to peel the film or anything like that. You just cook it for the time. Check the temperature, 165, and you're good to go. So let's do the taste test. Might be too hot right now, but let's see if I can burn my tongue. It's definitely too hot. Wait a minute. Now I'm not doing it this time, but if you haven't tried putting gelled cranberry sauce, you could do whole, or I like the non-whole, just the juice that's cranberry. And it really goes really well with mac and cheese. You know, I never understood why. It was something my wife's family did, so we started doing it, of course. That's great. Then listening to the Food Network and the competitions and everything was that this idea that they balance things out, the two flavors, the cheese, the cranberry sauce together. There's a certain balance that is established that makes either one of them taste better than individually. Oh, this is not bad at all. It's what's nice too is it's a cheddar cheese rather than kind of the Vivella. I can't remember how to say it. You know, it's really kind of orange. This is much better as a cheddar sauce. Vermont cheddar. It's always nice to have a few things like this in the freezer, so when there's a hectic day or something, you can do something less elaborate if you want to.
This is a Mike Kennedy video.